Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you would note from the thumbnail, that it is going to be an unboxing video. Yes, I've got the first ever watch from the brand Dressberry. Let me tell you something about the brand Dressberry. It's a brand invented by the online shopping um, mart, that is Myntra, and it's Myntra's own brand. I have always seen their watches, and I was quite really amazed by the collection they had. And today I have actually bought my first ever watch from this brand, and in today's video we are going to do the unboxing of this thing. So let's get started with the video. So this is how I received the box. It came with the packaging of the Myntra, and I've actually removed the entire thing because I wanted to see whether I've received everything properly or not. So this is how the box looks like. The box is quite sturdy, and that is one of the things which I've liked about this box. It is really very nice, and obviously I'm going to store my watch, the one I've received inside this box only. One more thing about the price point. So I can tell you the price of the watch which is printed on this box is approx 3000. Let me focus it properly. Yeah, it's approx 3000, but I received this in I've received this in discounted price. Obviously some discount was going on Myntra, and I'd got the opportunity to buy this at the price of only $8.99. So I think for the price point, I think this watch is really nice. So let me show you how this watch looks like. Yeah, so this is the watch I've got. It's really very pretty. I'll just show it to you guys. Yeah, the watch is very pretty. The color is in the light pink with the rose gold animal, and I really liked it. Obviously this watch is really minimalistic, but it will go with the traditional as well as western outfit. The clasp of the watch opens something like this, and I think it's very sturdy. Yeah, so I love pink color, and I wanted something in pink, and when I saw this, the undertone of the pink and the rose gold really complements, and I think it will go with my maximum outfits. So this is how it looks like. On the back of the dial, they've written, it's the brand Dressberry. I don't know if I can focus. Yeah, it's brand Dressberry, and they've given some code, I think, and they've written stainless steel, water resistant, and Japanese movement. So I'm not quite really sure about the meters of the water resistance, because I've got other watches from the other brands which has 50 meter 30 meter water resistance, but I don't know the meters here, and nothing is also written on the tax invoice that I've received along with this watch. One more thing, if you will notice from this watch, is I've received this ribbon. Obviously I've seen many YouTube hauls where they have done the Dressberry hauls, and the ribbon is attached to this box on the outer cover, but it just came loose ribbon inside this box. Along with this, I got this, it's a dust bag, I think, just to protect the product from the moist, and this pillowcase. Obviously I'm going to store the box in this pillowcase only whenever I'm not using it, and I'm going to store it inside this box. So one more thing, if you will notice, is I've not received the warranty card inside this box. So let me know guys in the comment section below if you have ordered the product from the brand Dressberry, obviously from Myntra, and if you received the warranty card, because I have some days left of the return policy, and if I can reach out to Myntra, then I will probably have this problem solved. Okay, I'll just show you how it looks on my wrist, since I've not shortened the chain of this bracelet, so it will not fit me properly, but still I'll give you the close look. closer looks of how this watch looks on my wrist. So this is how it looks on my wrist. I like the dial is little bigger, so I like watches with a long dial. And I think it complements my skin tone as well, and I think it looks fabulous on my skin. I'm really happy with the purchase, so it's a thumbs up from my side if you want to go ahead and purchase this product. So yeah, that's it for the vlog, today's vlog. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye.